million. The war happened when the star was running. The star stumbled. Who did his hand get entangled? And from the story, what world do you learn from history? The history is not told there because right